Hello, my name is Danny Hotter. I'm a program manager at the Kusto team at Microsoft.
Hi. Querying millions of rows under a second. This is one of the promise of the Kusto data platform.
Kusto has been long available in Azure and is now part of Microsoft Fabric. You can use Kusto query language to query your telemetry, IoT, time series, or any analytics data.
In my session, I want to show you the power of using Kusto, also known as RTA now as part of Fabric, from Power BI. So using the query, we can access billions of rows and show very fast response times in Power BI reports, and something which is really you cannot achieve with any other tool.
In this session, we will cover the basics of KQL, how it differs from SQL, and how you can leverage it to perform complex data analysis tasks.
You will also see some real-world examples of KQL helping people gather insights about the massive data.
By the end of the session, you should have a solid understanding of the Kusto data platform and see how it can apply to your different data scenarios. Join us on September 27th.